On September 14, 2019, Banyan Air Service celebrated 40 years of service on Fort Lauderdale Executive Airport by having an open house for the aviation community. With help from exhibiting vendors, Banyan welcomed over 700 guests who enjoyed great food, entertainment, and games. One of the highlights of the day featured a Junkanoo parade. Bahamian dancers and musicians dressed in authentic costumes danced their way around the Banyan complex while beating drums and cowbells and playing horn instruments and whistles. In recognition of the belief that it's important to give back, Banyan, with the help of a dunk tank, raised money to support the Egby Hospital Revitalization Project. Guests generously made donations to exchange for the opportunity to dunk one of the many Banyan teammates who volunteered. But the highlight came when Banyan's head coach, Don Campion, climbed into the dunk tank and dared anyone to knock him down. We are sincerely grateful for the vendors who exhibited and the guests who attended. Thank you for helping to make Banyan's 40th anniversary celebration a success and a day we will never forget.